Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope we have a great year this year. Today I have this beautiful makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the James Charles, the mini palette. I'm going to start off with this green shadow right here. And also you can use prettygrace for some money off online and in stores. A lot of you have asked me, how do you get the discount in stores? Well, just walk in, pick your items, and walk up to the register and tell them, hey, I want to use prettygrace for some money off. They will scan the code from a folder, and you will notice on your receipt, you will have the discount code on top, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that green right into the inner corner, bringing it inwards. And I do like to take my time applying this color. Then I'm going to go with the yellow shade right here. And I am going to go ahead and blend that into that green just to kind of give me that, you know, depth, a little bit of yellow and greeny color. So, yeah. And then I just take my time and pat these colors in. I like to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So that's basically what I'm doing right now, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I want the colors to blend in together. Then I'm just going to go back again with a little bit of that green and kind of just apply it, because I feel like I was losing the intensity of that shadow. You just want to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. That's kind of basically key. Then I'm going to go with this blue shadow right here, and I'm going to apply this in the outer corner. And I'm just blending these colors in together. And let me tell you, that green and this blue are beautiful together. Oh my god, like they just look so like mermaid type, you know. It looks so pretty. So I'm just blending this color in. I do apply it a few times because I really want the intensity of that color. Then I'm just gonna go with that darker blue on the bottom of that color and just apply it on the crease, just to kind of deepen that color a little bit more, just because I wanted the deeper colors in the crease, and then I wanted to blend those deep colors with a lighter shade of those deep colors. You can get me what I'm saying. Then I'm just going to go with this shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone just to kind of blend the colors out a little bit more. I haven't done my brows in a long time, so I do need a wax. So it was kind of a little bit of difficult for me to blend this out because of my hairs were like in the way, but I made it work. So just blend, and you know, whatever. All right, moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer. This one is from Morphe, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to go with a little flat brush, and I'm just going to start carving out my crease. And the brush that I'm using to do that is the Morphe R42, or I think it's kind of faded out. So I'm just going to go ahead and start carving out the crease just a little bit. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. I kind of was doing it the lazy way, and it didn't come out too clean, but it's okay. Still looks good. So I'm just applying the concealer just to get ready for the shadow that I'm going to apply. Alright, after I apply the concealer, I'm going to go with the blue shadow and kind of make like a little V. It's kind of messy right now, but I will clean it up and it will look better. I was just kind of, you know, drying it to see where I wanted it, because I was going to go ahead and apply shadow. So I just kind of carved it where I wanted it to be, and then I kind of go back and blend everything together just to make sure that everything is really nice and seamless, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to reapply the color just to blend everything out. After blending everything out, I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray onto a brush. Then I'm going to go with this blue shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply this on my lid. Everywhere where there's no color, that's where I'm basically going to put the shadow. So that's why I kind of wanted to put the blue line, the V that I applied. Oh my, I can't even talk to be honest with you guys. I have like, I don't know, like I feel like I've been out of the game for a while that I forgot how to talk. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just patting that color in. I feel like when you spray your brush with setting spray, it just helps you control the color, and it makes the color a little bit more brighter and it pops. So I went ahead and retouched any eyeshadow that needed to be retouched because I felt like I was losing the intensity. Then I'm going with a Morphe black pencil and applying this to my waterline just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Most likely these are bold face lashes. I don't have the box. I can't find it. I think it's After Hours, I believe, because that's one of my favorite lashes. You can use prettygrace for some money off if you guys are interested. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Alright, so then I'm going to go with this darker blue from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this in the bottom lash line just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And I do kind of take my time a little bit doing this because I feel like I usually kind of do it too thick and it's kind of the shadow's too down, if that makes any sense. I can't even explain myself. Then I'm going with that same green that I used at the top. I'm using at the bottom just to kind of blend those colors in together. And then to blend everything out, I'm gonna go with the yellow shadow and blend everything together just to make sure that everything kind of flows together. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, I just want to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. I'm actually using the PO.BOX mascara today, and I really like it. I mean, I go between that one and the Milk Makeup one. Those are my favorites. So yeah, so you just want to make sure you apply some mascara to your falsies just so that your real lashes and your falsies become one. And I'm applying some to my bottom lashes as well so they can stand out a little bit. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to be using 2 liquid lipsticks from Time Los Angeles. I'll link them down below. One is Ganache. That's the first one that I'm going to go ahead and apply. The other one doesn't have a name because I've had it for so long, but it's like a nude color. I have no idea what color. I'll try to see in the website. Maybe I can figure it out which one it is. But I've been doing like 2 different, like mixing 2 liquid lipsticks together just to come out with a color. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and just kind of fill that in, and then I'm gonna go over top with a lighter shade just to give me that perfect nude. So after applying some setting spray, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.